All right, guys, William Saunders here, and I want to talk about funding traders, how to get you guys some trading capital. All right, so this is something that I definitely has been doing for quite some time. I've been connected with hedge funds, I've been connected with prop firms, I've even funded some of my own students with my own trading capital. Okay. All right. So when it comes to funding traders, you guys got to understand the reason why it's actually being done is essentially for finding talent. Okay. So finding talented traders and everything like that, and really kind of coming up with, a deal where we can kind of split and share the profits and earnings and everything of that sort. Okay. So there is a performance verified funding type, meaning that you need to have a track record. All right. So this track record can be anywhere from 3 to 6 months upwards to 2 years. And that can be whatever that specific, let's say, account manager or firm or broker actually wants you in order for you to qualify. I can tell you most of the time it's minimum, as I stated, is 3 months upwards to 2 years. And the monthly average gain is as low as 10%, and on average, let's say right around 40 to 45% per month. So if you guys have that type of performance stats, then you guys can go ahead and reach out to me and I can connect you with, the appropriate broker, firm, or fund to get you guys, capital. Now, most of the time, the capital that you would get starting out would be somewhere, let's say $2,000 upwards to 10,000, and in some cases 25,000 upwards to 100,000 for at least the first 90 days of working with new money. All right. Now, the other way of funding is a no track record performance requirement funding. Okay. This basically means that you put up some of your own money for the risk itself to gain access to larger amounts of capital. So in some cases, that can be you putting up, essentially $500, you putting up $1,000, you putting up $5,000 to get access to, let's say, 5,000, 25,000, 50,000, $100,000. But whatever the risk is and that you would be set in, you would kind of put up some of your capital from there. All right. So that's the two different ways of actually getting funded. Now, as I stated, I can get you guys connected to either way if you guys actually have a solid track record, or if you guys have, let's say, some of your own funds and you want to kind of just use that as risk to gain access to larger amounts of funds or whatever. But most of the time, you will find that the performance profit splits, if it's definitely performance required, your profit sharings can be, let's say, as low as 30% sharing upwards to 60 to 70% when you actually have verified performances. When it comes to no track record, I can say that you're paying for or covering a lot of the risks that you're already coming into, and that can be somewhere where you're sharing about 50 to 85% of the actual gains that you're trading and everything from there because you are covering the risk. All right. Okay, guys, so let's keep in touch. So I want to go over something here, and you guys, these are very, very real ways to actually reach me. So this is a text me number that you guys can actually contact me. This is something that I personally respond to and everything like that. So keep in mind, guys, that if it's serious, real serious business inquiries and all that stuff, you guys can reach me from there. It's not a problem. My personal private YouTube channel is going to be youtube.com, slash William Saunders. I recommend subscribing to my YouTube channel and setting notifications because when I put new content out, it is relatively dire good content. It's been requested over and over again. Okay, it's something where I put so much passion and everything into it, and it's real content. And you guys would know that if you actually go through my channel and see everything that I kind of deal with. I'm not just posting stuff just for the sake of posting a video every single week or such and such and kind of like that whole thing. And that's that deal. And that's another reason why you guys should also put on notifications because I don't post every week or anything like that. Now, Instagram. I'm most active actually up on Instagram, guys. Very, very active. In fact, I'm so active that I got an account manager and everything like that. So that's what I'm dealing with on my Instagram. My Facebook, I used to be very, very active on Facebook. I'm not as active as I used to be on Facebook, but I am kind of like merging and everything like that or whatever. and doing some things from there. Once I probably come out with our productions on the Market Wizard program and everything like that, then I'll become a little bit more active up on Facebook and kind of like that whole deal, whatever. So my company YouTube channel, and that's basically Print My ATM, and our company Facebook is where you guys can actually find and pretty much go from there. Okay. So once again, guys, there is a link down below that's relevant to, what you guys actually need. You could just go through that link, find it, get in contact with me and everything like that. For those of you who are new to me and who I am and you don't know and you kind of want to get updated, I have another link down below that would also get you guys a little bit more information on who I am, how long I've been in the industry, what I do, what I deal with, and everything like that. Okay? All right. So I wish you guys much success and, of course, happy trading.